Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today I have a tip for you about passwords. The most commonly used password is 123456. Now this is really a poor choice in passwords because I'm pretty sure my 7-year-old could crack this one, so the hackers are definitely on top of it. The average password length is only 9 to 10 characters. Only 12% of passwords use a special character within them. 29% use words found in dictionaries. 12% use only numbers. Overall, 42% of all passwords are vulnerable to a quick dictionary attack. Check your passwords for strength. We recommend at least 12 characters. Use mostly letters with one number and one symbol. And you can also alternate the lowercase or uppercase of your letters. Most of all, keep it interesting, keep it unique, and give it variety throughout the different sites you might use. Hope you have a good day.